It was like a movie in California, my viewers and subscribers, where 3 Jamaican pick up some corn and did not make it out, my viewers and subscribers. This is very serious. Ain't no joke thing. Jamaicans won't really do. Everywhere town you go, you get problem. You see me? Now, my people, this is very, very much serious. I swear. 3 Jamaican knocked down in California in the streets, brawling. You see me? Some news reporting is saying that 2 Jamaican drop out. You see me? So it alleges that 3 to 2 Jamaican drop out. And I don't know them to them man here. You see me? Big up to the real Jamaican them overseas. I know say knockers, no problem. Now them criminals yeah, drop out. Just like that. Because them live by the gun, so them die by the gun. You see me? Youths and youths. You have to be smart. You have to have sense, rude boy. Put down the gun. I swear, I'm tired of talk to all around, you know. Now these 3 individuals were drop out is known by the alias Nanko Paul, Jerome, and Cat. I swear, when you hear them the people, Nanko Paul, Jerome, and Cat, the 3 of them drop out one time, instant, brawling, youths and youths. Me keep on telling you know, but this no pay, brother. When you bring the dirty behavior from Jamaica to California and feast, it's going to be a better rose. A big gang activity go on in America more time, you know, my viewers. And some of the time, them the Jamaicans, them involved in it. Because them run go foreign and them do all kind of things out here. And them bring the same mentality over this and feel like say it can work. Them don't know some man over there wait for slap them way. Man wait for mash up them head top. You see me? Now my viewers and subscribers, want to take in this. 2 Jamaican men were killed and another remained hospitalized following a deadly shooting in a Hyde Park area in Los Angeles Friday evening. The deceased has been reported identified as Jerome Cunningham, otherwise known as Romy, or Maypen Jerome, who has been described as a reputed gang figure, and another man only known as Cat. The 3rd victim, reported identified as Nanko Paul, was transported to the hospital where he is receiving treatment. According to the Los Angeles Police Department, LAPD, officers responded to reports of gunfire near 59th Street in Crush Boulevard around 7:45 p.m. They found 3 male victims suffering from gunshot wounds. 1 man died at the scene, while another later succumbed to his injury at hospital. The 3rd victim remained hospitalized, and his condition has not been disclosed. When you hear that, my viewers and my subscribers, when you hear that, when you hear what go on, I swear, the youth them nowadays now is almost like they made tough. But this is not pay, my brother. But this all you take on the 3 pints like that. But this all you go on funeral. You see me? I'm going to family over there, Jamaica. You ball phone youths and youths. Wise up. Me now start knocking on the head. No fun to take up bad this, brother. I'm not going to drop out. I'm not going to analyze on the scene. Because I don't feel like something can change. I don't know I'm to somehow. Somehow in a small demonic thing, brother. Like on the can't put on the gun. Crime is not the way, youth. Crime is not the way. No fun me see I pick up crime in the youth. Only can't manage it, you know. Only can't manage it. And as long as me there, I'm not gonna stop talk to the youths and youths. Watch on yourself. On the America for live and make money. Only pick up gun and feel like on a bad man. You see me? See there? This is where bad man go now. This is where bad man ship go now. Funeral. You hear that? Funeral. We're going to move on, my viewers and subscribers, because we're going to talk about a bizarre incident here where a girl by the name of Anishka Thompson, otherwise called Nishka, pick up a can down a St. Elizabeth hilltop. She did not make it out. My viewers. So we're gonna hear what the news report said, and then we're gonna talk to you. A police investigation is underway following a fatal shooting of a woman in the hilltop area of Parati in St. Elizabeth. Early this morning, the deceased has been identified as Anishka Thompson, otherwise known as Nishka. Preliminary reports indicate that the incident occurred at approximately 8:30 a.m. Investigations say a man identified as Thompson, 38-year-old boyfriend, and a licensed firearm holder, told them he was preparing to leave for work when the incident unfolded. According to his account, he had taken his firearm from a secured safe and was in the process of handling it when Thompson picked it up. He stated that while trying to take the weapon back from her, it discharged. You see me? So basically, with the boyfriend and some people, him ready for go work, and him take out the gun and decide, you know what? Me I go work right now. You see me? So him basically take out the gun, as me say, people, get ready, and then according to him, the girlfriend hold on the gun. See me? Then I say to my sister, people, why would the girlfriend need to hold on the gun? Why would the girl need to hold on the gun, or why would she need to cover the gun? See me? And then it one round probably this charge and hit her, and then she drop out. You see me? My people, I want to leave an honest opinion in the comment section. Make me know what you think about this, because I have enough people on social media say, boy, I murder and them kill off the little girl and she not deserve this and all these things, people. But really, this sound fishy. This not look good. This not sound good, my people. You see me? And right now, my people, we can't trust nobody at all right now. Some of them man nowadays, them analyze the woman them very regular. You see me? Now, when I hear about this from people, right away, I say to myself, so, no, this doesn't sound right. Why would the girl need to hold on the gun? Why would the girl need to cover the gun? You see me? Obvious means that probably she get a chance for fire some kind of him, because maybe he might treat her bad, or she and him in all kind of problem. You see me? And probably might try to take it from her, and then that is where the rounds lick her. You see me? So, my people, police are currently doing an investigation to figure out what exactly happened. They might test the weapon, to see what really go on. They might test fingerprint and all kind of different things. So we get more information on this, my people. But, boy, it's sad. R.I.P. to that young girl there. You see me? I say investigation is still ongoing. And for all the man them out there, we are killing off the woman them youth. Watching yourself. Now we are going to move on to the youth and now what them called Chucky. You see me? This is not the movie named Chucky, you know. We are talking about the reputed gangster, what them say, when named Chucky. You see me, from August Town. Yeah. Now Chucky has been captured by the police, my viewers and subscribers. I remember these people, a long time the police them want Chucky. Remember in the people, Chucky is a reported gang leader and also reported for several murders, including of Etana families. You see me? He has been very influential in the circumstances surrounding the death of Etana families. So the police them capture him. So we have to say, JCF, good job. Let's hope so to put Chucky where he must go. You see me? O'Shane Morris, otherwise known as Chucky, who was wanted for murder and possession of prohibited weapon, is now in police custody. The Jamaican Constable Force remain steadfast in its commitment to dismantling criminal network and bringing wanted person to justice. Through the continued support of the public, the JCF will continue to pursue those who threaten the safety and security of our communities while working to create a safer Jamaica for all. You see me? Now, the people, let's hope that Chucky get the longest sentence he can get and stay in a prison, because we know when Chucky come out, people, that'll be a problem. as they say in a movie, yes, we're chucking the door. So this man is no far from the chucking in the movie. So guys, make us so go on. Remember to please like and share and leave an honest opinion down below. I'm glad how Chucky come off the road, people. You see me, I say him can't cause them more problem. Me just want the police them and the justice system do them right, do them job and put Chucky away in our safe place where you know say my life in a misery and can't cause them more problem. Now we're gonna move on where a farmer was Jano. This farmer was severely hacked by another man, my people. I swear. Now, this was a chilling story that came out from the news media. You see me? Where a farmer tell a man he has something for him. You see me? Yeah. A chilling statement allegedly made moments before the deadly attack has landed a scent-catching farmer behind bars. You see me? Under murder charge after a bus driver reportedly stabbed with a pickaxe. You see me? In bias content. Oh, Laba. Jano star, be a done said thing this, people. Be a done said thing this. I swear. We need that, people. The man dash him away. Just like that. The man have some issues, my viewers and my subscribers. And the man mash him down. Swear. Youths and youths. Want to know what happened to Uno? Everything of violence. Man, I promise man say man come for him and the man really come for and get rid of them people. Johnny, we can't live like that. Youths and youths, we can't live like that no more. What me say? We can't live like this no more. We now stop wanting to get a youths. Be smart, be wise up. Youths and youths. Be careful what you do. Be careful what you do. Stop the foolishness. Bad boy, we not getting yourself in some problem. No fun me see. See me? No fun gonna be in the bars and I beg for mercy and thing and only not get no mercy and no justice for no action. Jano. Now we are gonna talk about the story of people. I swear we can move on them viewers and subscribers. Where the KSC come out and address some nasty people in a Jamaica. So nasty people forcing KSST to spend millions to clean drain blocked by improper disposed garbage. My viewers, we all know that Jamaicans have a tendency to throw garbage in the gully or more likely more time when the rain fall, my viewers, them throw it at a part where it can actually run in a channel, go in a gully, river or somewhere else something. Jamaica are typically known for that. Now at 23 million sum that was budgeted for road rehabilitation in the corporate area by the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, has been repurposed to clear choke drain and restore polluted coastline in an effort to prevent flooding in the country faces heavy rain during in the current hurricane season. So people, what they are saying is that the Jamaican people them, you see me, I back up the drain them and it cause the government them extra money. You see me, so even the government decides say yo them have 5 million put aside for the gully cleaning, they have end up a draft here 5 more because the way the people treat the gully bad is a shame and a disgrace. Now we're gonna move on, people. Let's talk about a St. Mary man. You see me, who charge for grape a woman in meet online. You see me? So this man meet one girl online. And the man grape and rob her, my viewers and subscribers. So St. Mary man faces new charges over allegedly grape of another woman he met on a dating app. Jaja. Woman, ladies, be careful of who you meet on dating app, because some of them boys are pervert. Some of them boys are evil. A St. Mary woman who was earlier this week charged, a St. Mary man who was earlier this week charged in connection with the alleged rape and robbery of a woman he met through a dating application is now facing additional charges stemming from a separate incident involving another woman. He also reportedly met online 33-year-old Demai Pennington of Thermosworth District, Highgate, was on Friday charged with larceny by trick and unauthorized access to computer data and allegation that he stole the woman's belongings, including her bank card, and spent approximately $100,000 in unauthorized transaction. The St. Mary man who was earlier this week charged in connection with the alleged rape and robbery of a woman he met through a dating application is now facing additional charges stemming from a separate incident involving another woman he also reportedly met online. 33-year-old Demai Pennington of Thermosworth District, Highgate, was on Friday charged with larceny by trick and unauthorized access to computer data. You see me? Yeah, I'm going to go to 30 people, my bad. But me I telling this to my viewers and subscribers. You have some dangerous man out there, so. You have some dangerous man in Jamaica. You have some man who decide, say, you know what? Me I go around and cause peer problem. Ladies, be careful. Not meet a man online. Not meet a man online, because some of them boy are known pervert them. Yeah, man. Known pervert them. Them love them kind of thing, my people. Them love them kind of nastiness, yeah. Youths and youths, no grip no woman youth. Yeah. But you make the woman be a future, you take care and she take care of you. And I make a fall on yourself, road boy. Don't want in the youth. No fun gonna feel hard life, you know. No fun gonna back a prison and make man feel up, you know. You see me? People, best upon yourself now. Remember to please like and share and subscribe to the channel so I drop new vids only get them first. You see me? Yeah, man, just go on do the thing, my peeps. Go on do the thing as usual. I'm out. Take care. Enjoy the Saturday.